What's up, guys? Today I wanted to share a little tip with you on whammy bar height. Now, I briefly mentioned my whammy bar after doing the whole setup with the tremolo stabilizer and all. It dropped significantly and I ended up backing out the whammy bar that much. So there's still a lot of thread in the block itself, but the trick that I'm going to show you is I put a stop right there, so I can't turn that no more. How did I do that? Very simple. At least on the Ibanez Geo, this is a M6, which is 6mm, and I took a 6mm bolt and I just cut it down. You can see it here, and let me see if I can get this in focus a little more. There's about 3 threads on there, and we turn the guitar over. You can see all I did is run it into the bottom and I just snugged it up. That is going to stop my whammy bar from traveling to an undesirable height, because when it gets tight and it hits that block, all I got to do is back it off and it's right there spot on where I like it.